कि सुहेल आफरीदी जिसको उनकी पार्टी के सरबराह जनाब इमरान खान ने मुंतखब किया है वजीराला के लिए, वो वजीराला ना बने। आइन लोगों की ख्वाहिशात पे नहीं चल सकते। आइन जो आइन में लिखा हुआ है, जो दर्ज है, उसके मुताबिक चलेंगे। सो रूलिंग ऑफ द चेयर in respect of the resignation by the Chief Minister under Article 130, Subclause 8 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, 1973, and election of the new Chief Minister Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Background. This ruling shall dispose of a question raised regarding resignation by the Chief Minister Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and the election of the new Chief Minister to fill the vacancy. The question to be answered is as follows. Does Article 130, Clause 8, Subclause 8 of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, bracket, herein after the Constitution, bracket close, require acceptance by the Governor of the resignation tendered by the Chief Minister for the said resignation to become effective? Background of this ruling is that Mr. Ali Amin Khan Gandapur, the then Chief Minister, tendered his resignation on 8th October 2025, duly addressed to the Governor of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in terms of Article 130, Subclause 8 of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. This resignation was followed by a further handwritten resignation letter dated 11 October 2025, addressed to the Governor Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, duly received by the Office of Governor Khyber Pakhtunkhwa on the same day. The resignation letter of 11 October 2025 declares that Mr. Ali Amin Khan Gandapur has resigned from the office of Chief Minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It also reiterates and confirms the resignation by Mr. Ali Amin Khan Gandapur made out of deep conviction and loyalty. The letters of 8 and 11 October, duly signed by Mr. Ali Amin Khan Gandapur, a further letter dated 11 October was also addressed to by Mr. Ali Amin Khan Gandapur to the Speaker, Provincial Assembly of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This letter duly informed the Speaker of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa of the resignation from the post of Chief Minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa tendered by Mr. Ali Amin Khan Gandapur. A copy of resignation letter of 11 October 2025 was enclosed. Third, later in the day, on 11 October 2025, the Governor of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa publicly acknowledged receiving the resignation letter dated 11 October 2025 through a post on the handle of the Governor Khyber Pakhtunkhwa on the social media platform X. The said post also reproduced an exact image of the handwritten resignation letter dated 11 October 2025 tendered by Mr. Ali Amin Khan Gandapur along with the official receipt issued by the office of the Governor Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The Governor Khyber Pakhtunkhwa also confirmed receipt of resignation by Mr. Ali Amin Khan Gandapur in a widely reported statement made before the electronic and print media.